Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Those of you new here, my name is BIRANG. So today's video is going to be sharing few of my favorite red lipsticks. So I'm going to be sharing 6 different lipsticks and I will be dividing these videos into like 2 to 3 parts. So I'm going to be sharing all the lipsticks with you guys which I absolutely love and highly recommend you guys to go ahead and buy these lipsticks because they are worth buying. So without wasting your time, let's get started. So let's start with the first lipstick. So first lipstick is my current favorite. It's from the brand called as Bite Beauty and the shade is Sangria Slush. It is a very perfect shade of red, in like you can call it as a cherry red. I just love this particular shade on myself. Now this is a matte lipstick and it does not moves, waterproof lipstick, doesn't transfer, so it's, you can basically call it as a transfer proof lipstick. Absolutely love it. Now let's move on to the second shade. So second lipstick is from Clarins Paris and it says it is in number 3 and it is again kind of a little matte and get little bit has this butter texture, but it is not completely matte and it is unfortunately transfer proof, but still you can apply this lipstick for a couple of hours if you're going out, but it does not stay longer than, I would say, like 3 to 4 hours, but still it's worth buying. The third lipstick is gonna be from L'Oreal Mercier. So I got this small package and this one is in the shade Rouge Essential. Absolutely love this lipstick, and again this lipstick is not transfer proof. It is a waterproof lipstick and has this beautiful orangish reddish shade. Now this is not a matte lipstick, it has a little butter formula, so once you apply it you can actually feel that it is like a lip balm you're applying on your lips and you do not feel like as if you've applied something on your lips. This is such a lightweight lipstick. Highly recommend to you guys. Fourth lipstick which I have is from the L'Oreal Paris. Now I think this was their very exclusive collection lipstick and it was for a limited period. Now this is Alia's lipstick number 407. It's a perfect red shade and this is a matte lipstick, like super matte. Like once you apply it guys, you cannot remove this lipstick. Definitely a waterproof lipstick, transfer proof lipstick. Highly recommend, but I have to check that whether this is available in the market or not, because like I said, this was from their exclusive collection, so I am not sure. But you can find more red lipsticks from L'Oreal Paris and trust me, I just love using L'Oreal Paris lipsticks, and also they are not super expensive, so highly recommend. Let's move on to the fourth shade. Now, as many of you would know, Becca Cosmetics has been discontinued from incoming September. They have officially announced this on their Instagram page. So in case you like any of their product, make sure you buy it out before September 2021. I absolutely love Becca Cosmetics highlighter and the lipsticks. Now the lipstick which I'm showing to you guys is this a lip definer pencil, which is in the shade Playful. Now you can also use it to outline your lips, and also use this lip liner to fill in like create a little lip color effect. Now you have to be a little careful when you're using this because you don't want to break the pen, right? Just be careful while using it. But other than that, I absolutely love this particular lip definer and it is again in the matte shade and doesn't move. Now let's move on to the very last lipstick, and I would say guys, this is the perfect red lipstick in the universe and highly recommend to each one of you to buy this out. This shade definitely suits every skin type, skin color, and this is none other than Ruby Woo from MAC Cosmetics, and I know you guys would have heard this name everywhere from all the beauty influencers because everyone loves this shade. This is a super matte lipstick. Absolutely love this lipstick. This is a non-transfer proof, waterproof, and doesn't move away. So this lipstick is the best lipstick in the universe. It is little expensive, but again it's worth the money, so highly recommend to you guys. So yeah, that was all about today's video, you guys. These were my top 6 favorite red lipstick addition. So I'm going to be sharing more series of lipsticks with you guys. I will be sharing different series, different colors with you guys, so stay tuned for that. I'm going to be catching you guys super soon with a brand new video, but make sure you subscribe to my channel, press the notification bell icon, and like this video. Also follow me on all my social media handles. The direct links are mentioned down below. In case you are interested in buying any of these lipsticks, all the direct links to buy out these lipsticks are mentioned down below, so make sure you check that out. And I'm going to catch you guys super soon. Till then, take care, stay safe, bye guys.